In this tutorial, we're going to build a functional pet parade registration form from scratch. This is a great way to see how various input types, like dropdowns, date pickers, and multi-select lists, work together in a real-world project. First, let's start by giving our project a clear title. We'll call this Pet Parade Registration Form and click Save to open our workspace. This gives us a clean slate to begin adding our elements. We'll start with the basics. Drag in a text input for the pet name. To ensure we get the data we need, we'll toggle Make Completion Mandatory. Let's do the same for breed, so we know exactly who is joining the parade. Notice how easy it is to just drag and drop these fields right into the layout. Next, let's add a drop-down for animal type. By clicking Customize Elements, we can quickly add options like dog, cat, bird, and other. This keeps the data clean and consistent for our records, making it much easier to sort through the registrations later. For the fun stuff, let's add a multi-selection list for tricks and performance. This allows owners to check off everything their pet can do, like sit, roll over, or dance. Unlike a standard drop-down, this lets people select multiple talents at once. We can also add a simple toggle for first-time participant. We'll label the on-off positions as yes and no for clarity. To schedule the performances, we'll drop in a date selector for the parade day and a time selector for the specific slot. These built-in pickers make it incredibly easy for users to provide accurate information without typing. We can set specific date ranges to ensure no one picks a day outside of the event window. Now let's add a specialized field for favorite snack. We can use another drop-down here to list common treats, or even a text field if we want to be more specific. Following that, we'll add a paragraph field at the bottom for special requests or dietary notes. This is perfect for any extra details that don't fit into the standard boxes. Before we finish, let's do a quick sweep of the form to make sure the labels are clear and the mandatory toggles are set where they need to be. Once everything looks good, we hit Save. Our form is now ready to be filled out and shared.